That's why we stand ready to partner through diplomacy and technical assistance and logistical support, and we will stand behind efforts to hold war criminals accountable.
We provide things like logistical support, refueling for planes.
Yesterday, FEMA activated urban search and rescue teams from Texas, Nebraska, and Tennessee to assist in the ongoing search and rescue efforts, and a mobile response unit to boost communications and logistical support. Today, the aircraft carrier USS George Washington and other ships arrived to help with search and rescue, as well as supplies, medical care, and logistical support. Today, the aircraft carrier USS George Washington and other ships arrived to help with search and rescue, as well as supplies, medical care, and logistical support.
Many of these caregivers don't have much of a support network for themselves. So they are dealing with these physical, logistical, and emotional responsibilities largely on their own.
I was very pleased to get the cooperation of both Prime Minister Cameron and President Hollande in addressing some of the immediate needs in terms of airdrops and some of the assets and logistical support that they're providing. There's been logistical support, intelligence and surveillance and reconnaissance support. I'm assuming that, particularly if you want to reach rural areas, that some of the logistical challenges are different. Support personnel that I ordered to Iraq last month will help turn this base into a logistical hub and launch pad for Iraqi forces as they push into Mosul.
That, of course, the support which has been given to Iraqis by the United States and other coalition partners is very important for us in terms of training, logistical support, providing air cover to our fighters on the ground, and of course, preventing Daesh from having more recruits and more financial.
The intention is to drive ISIL out of what was its first major urban stronghold and what continues to be one of the key organizations